But Chandan, what about your mid-cap strategies, given that mid-caps actually held out better last week?
So two trading idea I have selected. First is buy on PNB from the PSU banks with support of 102. One can see an upside target towards 111. Second trading idea I have selected to go buy on DLF. In fact, the stock has been moving upwards from last 3 weeks, has been making higher top, higher bottom. On the daily chart, it has given a decisive breakout above 782, 790 marks, and supports are gradually shifting higher. Upcoming RBI policy will be the key trigger for most of the rate sensitive counter. So I believe DLF could be on radar with support of 782. It can head towards 100 and 830 marks.
Those are the two trading ideas coming in from Chandan this morning. But Anshul, with this, we let you go on that note. Thank you so much for taking the time out and speaking with us this morning. Along with that, let's also get you some more trading ideas. And Kunal, tell us, within the mid-cap basket, which is the stock that you are eyeing?
Banking name and a very interesting banking chart. It's DCB Bank, and after I think a period of more than 2 years or 3 years, the stock has come back towards a classical breakout. It's one of the better monthly closing for DCB Bank. The stock closing in after I think 2020 or 19 highs, for itself, and this could I think be a very strong breakout candidate for the stock. 3 consecutive months of price uptrend, but then volumes have been on the much better side for DCB Bank. So it looks like a classical sign of a breakout and a multi-year breakout for DCB Bank. Would look out for 155 as a target, stop us at 143.
Right, okay. Let's move on and let's tell you what else is happening outside the world of equity markets. And 6 people were injured in what the FBI described as a targeted terror attack at an outdoor mall in Colorado. The attack took place on a group which had gathered to raise attention to Israeli hostages held in Gaza. The suspect, identified as a 45-year-old Mohammed Sabri Soliman, used a makeshift flamethrower in this particular attack. Also, what should have been a night of football glory for Paris turned violent. Over 500 people were arrested and 2 killed during the wild PSG celebrations after their first ever Champions League win. Police clashed with crowds on the Champs-Elysees, smashing shelters, lighting fires and injuring dozens. An investigation will determine if the fatalities were linked to the celebrations or not. And closer home, Bangladeshi prosecutors officially charged former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and 2 senior officials with crime against humanity for their alleged roles in violent crackdowns during the 2024 student-led uprising. An investigation report found that Hasina directly ordered state security forces, her political party and affiliated groups to conduct operations resulting in mass casualties. The proceedings were broadcast live on television for the first time in Bangladesh's history. Also, at least 30 people were killed in a 2-aid distribution station in the Gaza Strip, according to the Gaza Ministry. However, Israeli military has denied forces fired at civilians at or near the site. The latest setback is a new humanitarian relief operation backed by Israel and the US as a way of sidelining Hamas. And a rock collapse at a...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.